Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everyone. Welcome back. It's been a little quiet on here lately, so I just wanted to say thank you for being patient while I was away. I'm hoping to get back into the routine of posting a bit more regularly, aiming for once a week, Inshaa Allah. Today is a beautiful day, so I'm trying to take advantage of the weather to get some spring cleaning done. I have a few errands to run, including picking up some bits for the garden, but I'm starting the morning slowly. Just having some fruit and tea with honey. This is my favorite way to start the morning. I'm curious if anyone knows what I'm pouring this honey over. Let me know in the comments. It's a bit of a staple around here. And there's Kobe. He's definitely been enjoying his snacks a bit too much lately, so we're trying to keep a closer eye on his diet. He's not too happy about it, but it's for his own good. I'm also getting some samosas ready to freeze. I had to run out to get some things for my daughter. It's her birthday soon, so I picked up some bits she needed. She really wanted pajamas, so I got her a few pairs and they seem very comfortable. And of course, I couldn't resist a quick stop for a boba tea while I was out. It's the little things, right? I also needed to sort out a new shed for the backyard. The old one finally gave out after all these years of winter wear, so I'm glad we're finally getting it replaced. I also needed to get a new shed for my backyard, so I stopped by and checked some out and decided on a few, but ended up picking the perfect one for our backyard. You'll see soon. Back home, we having the security cameras upgraded today. It was time for a refresh, so I'm just tidying up a few things inside while the technicians get that set up. The old ones were like 10 years old and were falling apart and weren't the best quality, so it was long overdue to get an upgrade. Spring cleaning doesn't just mean cleaning outside. So I am reorganizing my entire closet here, a bunch of abayas and batis and dresses, you name it. So this took me a few hours. This is the finished result. It feels so good to be done. It's actually a huge help having the boys here to help put the new shed together. It makes the work go by so much faster when we're all working on it. Now they're done the shed, we're gonna set it up beside the back door for easy access. So this is the finished result. I'm really happy to have this crossed off the list. MashaAllah, the weather held up and it's looking great. Thanks for spending the day with me. It feels good to be back and sharing these moments again. I'll see you all next time, Inshaa Allah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.